Hey guys, it's Thursday, February the 15th. Hope everybody had a good Valentine's yesterday. Hope that you're having a good trading week. I'm having a really good trading week again. I wanted to go over the gut question again last night. I think again from somebody overseas. It was like 2 something in the morning my time, so it'd have been like 8 something, so I think they're overseas at the time difference. But I guess in my videos I'm not going over the strategy enough so people can realize that I'm not day trading, I'm swing trading, even though sometimes there is trades during the day, but not all the time. Because you got to be patient, and then you wind up staying in the trades and there's not another trade to get in, and because you're already in it. And it's like the pound dollar here. I told y'all yesterday it got in about 9-10 pips before the yearly pivot here, and then got in when it done my little retrace, my arrows, little retrace. I got in there. I've taken off half of the position from both of those, and I've moved my stop now up to break even. It's actually under this low right here, so I'm at break even on it, on the pound dollar. So that was a good trade. Aussie dollars, I've been in it for a couple of days actually. I'm still in it, and my stop now is up underneath this low. I told y'all yesterday I'd taken off half of the position. The second half I just kept moving the stop up. I had it down here. It went higher, retraced, went higher again, and I had it under there. When it got up to resistance up in here, this is resistance on a daily basis, and I said I'm going to move it up under this. If it gets stopped out, that's fine. I've had a good trade. And the Aussie dollar, plus I told y'all this usually gets filled in, this big candle like this at some point. Of course, it's taken it a couple days to do it, but I'm still in the position, but made good money on that one. Pound CAD, looking for a buy here still. It's getting close to a buy. Looking for a buy on the pound CAD. The pound yen, it started to run away, but that's not a trade. I don't get in it. It's going to have to retrace back down into here before I'll get in, so there's nothing to do on the pound yen. Remember, this is for education purposes only. Only trade with money that you can afford to lose, because this is risky. The Euro New Zealand, of course, I got stopped out on it over here on 13th, I believe. Yeah, 13th. Got stopped out. It would have been a good short there on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand done the same thing. It's trying to move up now, but this again, it's a runaway. I've got to have it come back. There's nothing to do on the pound New Zealand either. New Zealand yen is up here where it's could go short right here. And let's see what the risk is. 91.85, that arrow high, and it's at 68, so that's 17 plus $20 with the spread. So that's not too bad. But I'm not in that one. The Euro Aussie, not in this one. It's in no man's land. I had the sell right there. That had been the trade to get in. The Euro CAD, nothing in it. It is in a sell, 1 hour sell right now, but it's kind of run away. You almost have to have a retracement back up to get in that. So nothing to do on that. Pound Aussie short, which I've been in again for a couple of days. Got in up here, took off half the position. Have been moving my stop down. And it's about to get stopped out right now. That's where my stop is, on the second half of the position. So you can see where I got in there. And I may get stopped out right here. It's very, very close. It doesn't like, but less than 5 pips. And it'll be stopped out. So hopefully it's going to push back down in here where I can move the stop down over here a little bit, but it looks like it's going to get stopped out. The CAD yen was in the sell from over here yesterday, taking off half the position. When this spike came down on the news, I moved my stop all the way down here, and as you can see, it's stopped out on the second half. But again, that was a good winning trade. So I'm out of the CAD yen as well. The euro yen got in the trade yesterday over here and took off half the position. I got stopped out on this push down. I always move my stop down to the high of that candle, and you can see what happened. I got stopped out on the second half, but that's where I was in at. Took off half the position and got stopped out here, almost the same place, so I made good money on the euro yen. The Aussie yen, there was a 1 hour sell. There's news on it, that's why it spiked down. This is the place you want to get in if you're going to get in for a low risk sell, is right there. But there's nothing to do for me on it, but I may take that. Let's see, what's that risk? 85 basically. So that was about a $4 risk almost on it. Oh, yeah, I may take this trade right here, as the risk is very low. Actually, the stop's going to be right there at that high, which is 84. It's trading at 75.9, so $12 risk. Okay, so I'm on the odd yen. Odd yen short. $12 risk. Okay, so I'm in that, and but I've been able to get a lot of trades. Hopefully I'll be able to get out of this one tomorrow, being Friday. I won't have a video tomorrow, I don't think, but I will on Monday. So if you if I'm helping you, please hit the subscribe and like button. If I'm not helping you, or if you feel I'm not helping you, that's fine. But if you do hit the subscribe button, you'll also have to click on the notify me button, and then YouTube will notify you when I have another video or live stream, either one. So I hope everybody has a good rest of the day. Monitor your trades, move your stops when you can, and take profit off. You don't have to take off half the position like I do. Whatever you feel comfortable with. That's where you've got to learn to do that. But hopefully I may have another video tomorrow. I'm not real sure, because I know I've got something I got to do. I'm just not sure how long it's going to take. So I may or may not have one. But if I don't, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and see you on Monday. If I do, then I'll have another video posted, and you can watch for that. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go underneath the video, my video, in the comment section. Just place it in there. If you got anything, it doesn't matter what it is. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Just remember that. So just put that in there, and I'll respond to you back as quickly as I can. So this video is being recorded, be posted in about 20 minutes, and hope you guys have a good night.